how to make money on people per hour as a freelance artist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own or how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can sell your skills, and it's where you can get hired by individuals or by people looking for someone to do some certain skills, for example, freelance artist or writing and translation design. So here we have a lot of categories, and there are a lot of people making a lot of money from working or from selling their skills, the skills that they learned. So for example, a creative writer, he gets a lot of money from creative writing for other people, from writing a speech or a script writing or a book writing, as you can see, all of these people. So for example, just take this one, he gets $75 per hour. Another one, $65, $150, 5,000 words in 5 days at $150 only. So there are a lot of people making a lot of money from the platform, and I'm going to show you how you can be just like one of these people selling your skill. So first of all, we're going to click on the freelancer button in your top right to join. So here, make sure to select I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. So when you sign up, you're going to proceed to creating your profile, and I'm going to meet you there. So let me just log to my account. And here I'm going to enter my password. And then click on login. So here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, click on apply now to create your profile. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, the first thing you're going to do is drop a file in here, which is your profile picture. So make sure to make a very decent profile picture, nothing very friendly or nothing funny, just a usual normal picture of your face in here, and that's all. And then you proceed to enter in your job title. So for example, award-winning web developer, or you can just enter a freelance artist. And then here you enter your skills. The maximum is 15 skills, so make sure to use all of these spots wisely. So I'm going to start with freelance to see what pops up. And here we have nothing popping out. Freelancing, still have nothing. Let's go with artist. So here we have voiceover artist, find artist, artist tier, fiber artist. Let's go with artist tier, for example. And then we proceed to add in your description, describe yourself to buyers. And guys, if you want to make a very attracting and decent bio for your profile, just go to these categories and search for your skill. So for example, let's search for a freelance artist, or let's check filmmaking, for example. Let's say you are a filmmaker. So what you will need to do is go check the filmmakers. See, for example, this one, we're going to check his description. So here, let's read his description. So this is, we have 3 paragraphs. Hello there, my name is MRT, and I'm a video editor who is eager to bring your vision to life. I specialize in short form videos, and I'm master at creating compelling and meaningful social media videos. With my background in video editing, social media design, and graphic design, I can assist you in creating visually appealing posts that will capture the attention of your target audience. So this is a catchy description, but it's not very organized, and it looks full even though it's not full. So we're going to check if we can see an organized description. Let's read more to see if we can find an organized description. And this one also looks full. We need to see something unique that can inspire us to make a great description for our profile as well. Let's check this one. This one is just have a small text. That's not what I'm looking for. I need to see something creative. Let's check this one. I think this one will have a very decent description. Same as well. It's not that much of a description, but I think you get the idea, guys. So here, let me just go back to the description. And here, just make sure to be creative with it, make it attractive for clients to hire you, and then you proceed to add in your location and then your language, the languages that you can speak. So let's start with English first. And then I can speak Arabic as well, and French, and Tamazight, if we can find it in here. So we don't have it in here. So that's all. And then for your hourly rate, you can do the same like when we were looking for the description. That's what you're going to do again. Just go and see the average prices, see the price that will fit your needs, and you can work something between that. Just make sure to enter it in the United States dollar. That will make things easier to count. And after that, hit submit application, and you'll get an email after it's submitted. That's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.